Future continuous verb forms to start your sentences. In this video, we'll talk about how future continuous actions like setting agendas, meeting deadlines, multitasking, and pitching ideas drive progress and success.
Redes de contacto.
The team's agenda will be changing to include a second meeting for better organization. Deadline. The approaching deadline will be motivating the team to finish tasks by tomorrow. Multitask. Our CTO will be multitasking, handling the server issues while planning the update rollout. Pitch. The marketing team's pitch will be persuading clients to invest in their innovative ideas. Follow us for more interesting video like this.